Hey everyone, it is Tuesday, August 24th, and I'm going to go through and show you what you're doing today. It is Tuesday, which means it is a Zoom day again. So if you're virtual or you're homesick or whatever, hop on the Zoom. It's here for you. So it is the very next thing you're going to click after the daily overview. Keep in mind on this daily overview, here I'll go ahead and click it for you. The video that you're watching right now will be right here, but right over here you'll see a mark as done. Okay, you have to click mark as done, or it will the next thing will show up locked for you. Okay, so you won't be able to move on. So make sure that you're clicking that mark as done. If you're trying to view this from a cell phone, like your iPhone or a tablet, up here there's going to be like three little dots. So click on those three little dots and then you'll see a menu pop up that gives you the option to click mark as done. Okay, I know that was an issue on Monday, but that was the fix for it. Okay, make sure that you're marking as done so that you can move on. All right. Okay, so again, you have your Tuesday Zoom. Y'all did a wonderful job on the Zoom on Monday. Keep up the good work, get in on time when class starts. Be patient if you're waiting in the waiting room, or if you get knocked out for any reason, just be patient. I'll let you back in, okay? Make sure you're reading the rules. Again, be on time, be present, be kind. Use your video and stay muted. Y'all did a great job yesterday, so thank you so much for making my life that much easier. Okay, then you're gonna mark as done and hit next. Okay, today we're going to review how to stay organized electronically. If you have had my classes before, you know that this is something that we are doing constantly. But Miss Settle made an amazing little video for y'all to watch on how to create documents and PowerPoints and spreadsheets and whatever. You're creating things directly in your Office 365 so that it saves immediately. And you don't lose it, okay? So she's gonna go through that with you. And once you're done watching, you're gonna hit mark as done and next. The next thing that you're gonna do today is learn how to create and name an electronic assignment, okay? And the reason all the time I see y'all have an entire folder full of things that look like this. Untitled 1, Untitled 2, Untitled 3. You have no clue what those are, okay? So this video is going to show you how to create your assignments and name them appropriately. And again, that's Miss Settle. So if you have Miss Settle, you probably have seen these videos already. If not, and you see her in the hallway, give her a big thank you for these awesome videos. Okay, you're going to do mark as done and then next. And that brings you to today's assignment. So today you are going to create a favorites list. We're going to practice y'all creating assignments and labeling them correctly and organizing them in your Office 365. So you're going to go to your Office 365 in ClassLink. You're going to create and name a PowerPoint presentation according to how Miss Settle taught you. Then you're going to create a favorites list, a presentation of all of your favorites so that we can get to know each other better. I want you to include at least one picture of each of your favorite things and a brief description. So here are the favorite things I want to know about. There are 10. So I want to know your favorite season, animal, food, color, movie, book, song, subject in school, hobby, and place to visit. I want you to include pictures. You can give me pictures of the real thing, or you can give me pictures of clip art or whatever you can find on the web, as long as they are good with the shared commons in Google. And if you don't know how to do that, we can talk about it in Zoom, in your Zoom session, okay? Submit your assignment here, either by uploading your file or submitting the share link. Again, If you don't know how to do the share link, I can show you how to do that in our Zoom. Okay, so just ask me. Let's see. All right, and then that's it. So you're gonna turn that in, and that is your assignment for the day. Do not forget to go back to the home page and do your daily check-in button. All right, that is it. Y'all have a wonderful day.